Do you make money online and you are going to utilize your services and you want to make money from your services? Then I'm going to tell you about each and everything, the basic concept about freelancing, where you are going to make money online by freelancing. Now let's get started. Hi everyone, it's me Jamshed Raza from professionaltutorial.com, and today we are going to discuss that how we can make our freelancing career online and how we are going to utilize our services and make money from that services. Now there are many platforms for making online money, but today I'm going to show you about freelancer.com, where you are going to understand the main concept and how we are going to use that website for online earning, and then we are going to just complete some projects to just make money online. Now I will show you in my screen that we have freelancer.com, and you are going to make your profile or maybe your account in freelancer.com. That is very easy and simple a step it has. Like, you are going to make in different website your account in freelancer. That is also like easy, and you are going to quickly make your account, but for that you need your email and also your phone number or mobile number, and also you need to verify your account as well afterward. I will also give you my complete course of the freelancing in the description of that video, where you are going to get in that complete video, and we have great discount on that video complete course, which we have in description of that video. Therefore you can check out that as well. But in this video I'm going to tell you about the basic of freelancing, what is the freelancing platform and how you are going to use that website to make money online. Okay, and one thing I'm going to give you and show you that freelancing is completely real website. Therefore let me just give you some information and tell you about my profile. You can also hire me as a graphic designing as well. Okay, I'm going to give the description and the link of that profile if you need web development or programming, graphic designing, any sort of work which you want to outsource. Then you are going to just hire me directly from my freelancing account, and we are going to work together with 100% satisfaction. Okay, now let's see that I have completed many projects, and there are nearly 105 reviews, and it means it is authentic, and we are going to use that website. Now you can see that we have like a complete system where we have review system. When you are going to complete your work, the client will give you a review, and that review give you more benefit for your next project, while someone or some other client will hire you once again. Okay, what is freelancing, or what is freelancer.com? Freelancer.com is a platform where people from all around the world will come and just outsource their work. Maybe there could be a company or any individual who don't have work or do not know about the service which they want to just outsource to other people to complete that one. Okay, now if you have a skill, for example, if you are a web developer, graphic designer, app developer, any sort of skill you have, and you want to utilize that in online business or online platform, then freelancing is one of the best platform here. You can just bid on the different projects, and you are going to get that project. And most amazing part of freelancing is that it is free, completely free. You don't need to pay for anything. But if you want to upgrade your account, then there are different packages which you can also upgrade and get more options, available options which a basic member or free member don't have. Then you can also get the benefit of that as well. Okay, now in freelancer, for example, you can also work as a content writer, as a graphic designer, as I already explained that one, as a SEO consultant, as a digital marketer, or any project which you want. Now I'm going to show you, there are, for example, like there are projects in updates. You are going to see the recent projects, like we have convert PDF into Word, and we also have the icon which is like that cup and yellow icon wallpaper for the Facebook ads. And you can see now it is less than 5 seconds ago, and it means that it has been recently posted here. And once you will see the project which is related to your skill, then you are going to click on that project. For example, I'm going to click on that project. Okay, now there are some basic information while you are going to bid in specific project in Freelancer. For example, you have to check out that there are all the details about the client. For example, you can see that about the employer. Okay, now what you are going to see, you are going to see that which country they are belonging, and when they have created that account, and what is all other verification of the employer. Okay, for example, identity is not verified. If it is verified, then it shows like green color, but it is now gray. It means that they are not like verified. Their identity, payment method has not deposited any money in Freelancer, profile is not completed, and phone number is not verified. Therefore, I don't think that it is authentic client. For authentic client, I will just show you some more example. If I get here, okay, now you can see, yeah, Flestin, territory, and we have to see that now. See, the member or the employer has created that profile in 2018, means he or she is one of the old employer here in Freelancer. It means we are going to verify the authenticity as well. And you can see payment method is verified. It means he has just payment method which we can just trust on him, and he can just give us money after completion the project. Therefore, we are just guessing, and there is a queue that we may say that that is authentic employer. Okay, now you have deposit made, it is not verified, no problem, but email, profile, and phone number are verified. After that, you will get like project details, and you are going to read the description of that project. For example, whatsoever it is written, and the skill which is required, like graphic design, photography, Photoshop, photo editing, and Photoshop design. Okay, now the attach, you can also check that one. If the client whatsoever is required also may be mentioned in the attach file as well, then it will give you a clear view and idea that what you are going to do for that project. Okay, now here you are going to place a bid on this project, and you have a money or bid amount. It means that how much you are going to take money from that work or from that project. Therefore, you are going to give the amount and in how many days you will deliver that project. For example, I will say that in 2 days, and you are also going to write some very amazing and appealing description as well about your project, that how many years you have worked for the same or similar project, and how many projects you have already completed, how many years you have experience about that project, about that skill. You are going to write each and everything here. It will give you a lot of information, space to write your all information. Okay, now one thing here, it is, I will just say that it is a milestone. For example, you can check that, suggest a milestone. Milestone means that whenever you are going to start the project, when the client will accept your proposal and award you as a skill that you have for that project, then you are going to say that you have to accept the milestone as well. And milestone is that amount which the Freelancer website or platform will just reserve that money, and after completing the project they will release the money to you. Or if you are not going to complete that project, then it will again release the money to the employer, not to you because you have not completed. Okay, therefore my milestone is one of the best part. You should request whenever you will get awarded. Okay, now there are three options. If you don't want the proposal, for example, if you want to sponsor your bid, then it will go to the top of the all bidders. Okay, if you want to seal that proposal, whatsoever you are going to write that no one can read, then you can seal that one, and you can highlight your complete that proposal as well. When the client will see it is highlighted, then maybe there is more chances of the getting awarded as well from that option. But you don't need any optional upgrade for the basic or for initial project. You don't have to do or invest money from all these. I think it is not that much necessary. Okay, now it is detail of your complete project, but proposal is all those people. I think this project has been terminated and it is cancelled by the employer. For example, I'm going to refresh that one. Therefore, I'm not getting the employer bidding here. But see, we have some problem. If for example, if you are going to check and see the proposal in any other project, then you will get like there could be some people. Okay, let's check once again. Okay, logo design, and we have proposal, and you can see now we have 44 bids, and there the bidder will get all the information. Those who has completed their project, for example many project, and their earning is how much that is in greater in number, it will just go on the top. And the first person the client or the employer will see, it is the person who has more review and who has more completed project. And definitely it is one of the benefit or disadvantages of the rating system of online platform as well. Okay, now there is another option as well. For example, if you are going to see that we have here browse. Okay, now since we are just browsing the project, as we can see that all the project, but there's one more option for the contest as well. If you want to enter into contest, there will be a category for the contest in freelancing as well, where many people can enter in the contest, which is completely free of cost, and you can enter as much as contest. But you can see there are nearly 1093 entries. It means that contest is more popular in freelancing, and it is also free. You can enter your design or whatsoever is required in the contest unlimitedly, and there is no limitation. But on the other hand, if you are going to see in a freelancer, you have for basic, when you are going to create your account, you will get 8 bid for the first month, and when you are going to use your 8 bid, you can also use your 8 bid in one day or maybe in 1 month. It depends on you, but you have limitation of 8 bid in 1 month, that you cannot use more bids or more than 8 bids in 1 month. Therefore, whenever you are going to use your 8 bid in 1 month, then you have to wait for your bid to again just recount, and then you will be able to enter or bid once again on the project as well. Now where we are going to see here, for example, you have bid summary. Since I have basic intro membership, okay, therefore they have given me 15 bids, and I have used my 2 bids and I have 13 bids remaining, and therefore I have 15. But when you are going to register, then you will get 8 bids. Okay, because you are basic. I have just given them $1 for per month, and they have increased double my that bidding option, and therefore I got 15 bid per month. Now whatever you are going to do, for example, it complete depends on you, that how much you are going to understand the platform and how you are going to make money in freelancing. I hope you got better idea. If you have any question about the freelancing, then you can just write that in comment box below. If you like that video, just thumbs up, and if you want to get all other notification of new videos, then you have to subscribe my channel. And for now, give me permission to say goodbye.